If your ink's too slow and your nib won't flow, here's one of the places that you can go. Larry is here to see you through with Mr. Announcer and Cubby too. It's Larry's Fountain Pen Reviews.
Well, howdy folks, how's everybody doing? This is Larry and welcome back to my channel. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so while you're there. It's a lot of fun and a lot of things get popping after a while. You never know where I'm going to bounce to because I want everybody to enjoy their time while they're spending time with me. And today I want to thank Galen Leather for sending me the missing link I needed to the writing box. And I will do another update review on the writing box because the writing box is just an awesome writing box. If you're a pen collector, if you're a pen enthusiast, if you've fallen down that rabbit hole, then you need to check this writing box out at Galen Leathers. Is that how you say it?
Galen.
Galen, G-A-L-E-N?
Yes.
Okay. Galen Leather. So I'm going to have Mr. Announcer. Let me show you real quick. We put these leather strap on. This is the carrier. Now the writing box, beautiful made. They did a really fantastic job. It's heavy, but not heavy, but heavy enough. You know it's there. And you can keep all your writing instruments safely inside. Now this is going to help you carry it. Okay? And you know, if you're going to carry it somewhere, you're going to need one of these, I think. I know I would, unless you're going to put this in a suitcase or something. But this will also help secure the writing case. It does have a latch right here. Can you see that? And the latch may come out easy, and that's because the strap's on. It draws the writing box to close more tightly, so it gives it more room for the latch to kind of sneak out on you. But not to worry, it's not going nowhere. All good. I love it. I'm glad. Hey, I'm going to have a blast with this. And it does all kind of neat things. It's like that. So, hey, look, 20 days till Christmas. 20 days to Christmas. So, I want Galen for Christmas. You can have Galen all under your tree. Yes. Or you can send them all to me. Ho, ho, ho. So, I'm going to have Mr. Announcer show you how to put this on, take it off, put it on, take it off, and put it on. So, Mr. Announcer, what's your thoughts about this? Was it hard to put on?
It was, since the strap has not been on it, so it's probably contracted a little bit. It's very tight, but it can be done.
And well worth it, I think. And I think the strap's about, what, 19 bucks maybe? So, you know, I highly recommend you get a strap. If you're going to go anywhere with this, yes. If you're not, then don't worry about it. But, I mean, if you decide to go to the park or somewhere, have a picnic or do a writing thing, you know, yeah, I would. So, I'm going to turn it over to Mr. Announcer. So, at this time, I want to turn it over to Mr. Announcer. He's going to demonstrate.
Okay, so here is the case. Now the case itself is got a really nice smooth finish to it, really comfortable to work with, but that does make it a little awkward to carry it because it's so slick and heavy. So this strap is going to help you hold on to it very firmly. Now this strap we haven't had on the case for very long, so it's a little tight. It'll be a little rough getting it on the first couple of times, but the material will stretch over time. So I'm going to bring it down here so you can see it. All you have to do is slide off one end like that. Hold the case carefully. Okay, so here is what the strap looks like when it's off of the case. So I'm going to put it back on now. I'm going to have the latch facing up, and that's going to be the side that the strap goes on that you hold on to it. So I'm just going to, again, turn it to its side. That way I can hold it in my lap secure enough. Because this is a little tight right now. Just pull it apart and slide down. There goes one. Just rotate the box, turn it over. And then this one a little tougher to get since it's already on the other side. That's why you want to have a good firm grip on it. And when you slide it in, that allows the loop up top to form the handle. So there it is, nice and functional, as well as looks really good too.
Well, there you have it. My Galen leather.
Galen leather.
Yeah, and in Istanbul, Turkey. And they're handmade. Everything they do over there is just about handmade. So, if you want one, and you want it by Christmas, you better check with them to see when you'll get it. But they're pretty good on shipping. Pretty quick. So, without further ado, let me say thank you for Mr. Announcer, and thank you for Galen Leather to make this video possible. Appreciate you, my brothers. Take care. Merry Christmas. Happy New Year and all that good jazz. Bye-bye.